Decoding complexity, mastering it technical writing for future innovators. In the dynamic realm of information technology, the prowess of technical writing stands as a pivotal complement to technical acumen, especially for college and university students poised on the brink of entering the professional world. This video is your essential compass in navigating the complexities of conveying intricate IT concepts with clarity and precision. At the heart of effective technical writing lies the imperative to intimately understand your audience. Whether it's an academic advisor, peer reviewers, or future employers, tailoring your language and the granularity of your explanations can significantly enhance the accessibility and impact of your work. Clarity and precision are the cornerstones of technical documentation. Every detail, from code comments to project reports, must be articulated unambiguously, leaving no room for misinterpretation. Incorporating diagrams, charts, and concrete examples can serve as powerful tools to illuminate complex ideas, transforming abstract concepts into tangible understanding. Moreover, the organization of your document plays a crucial role in guiding the reader through your analytical process. Employing headings, bullet points, and numbered lists not only structures your document, but also makes the information more digestible. Engaging with feedback, whether from peers or mentors, is invaluable. It provides a fresh perspective that can refine and elevate your document, ensuring it meets the rigorous standards demanded in IT. As you embark on this journey to hone your technical writing skills, remember, it's not merely about fulfilling an academic requirement, but about enriching your professional toolkit. Your ability to articulate complex technical information clearly and effectively will distinguish you in your future career, setting you apart as a proficient IT professional. Embrace this journey with determination, and let this video be your beacon, guiding you to excellence in the IT landscape.